welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare tasty and healthy lemon tea. Chalo, let's get started. Firstly, turn on the stove, place vessel, add 300 ml water. This will be sufficient for 2 people. Now add 2 teaspoons sugar and boil until it get dissolved. Now add 1 teaspoon tea powder and boil up to 45 seconds. If you boil more than that, tea gets stronger and may taste bitter. Now turn off the stove. Strain the decoction into a container. Let's take teacup and garnish with lemon slice. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. You can add lemon juice as per your taste as well. Now let's add pinch of black salt and pour hot tea decoction. We no need to stir as it get dissolved easily. And let's garnish with tulsi leaves. That's it. Lemon tea is ready to drink. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.